We'll be looking at how to layer and group images on Google Docs. This is so you can have two images in the same position or have one image behind the other. First thing you need to do is find your images. So I found an image of a computer. I'm going to copy it and then paste it into my document. And I'm going to get another image of the person. Same thing, copy and then paste the image. Now the problem I have is when I have my two images, when I try to drag one on top of the other, it'll just shift positions, but it won't go on top of the other. So the first thing you're going to do is when you click on the image, you'll be given a couple of options at the bottom, and you're going to select wrap text, and in the margin, going to change margin to 0. I'm going to do the same thing with my other image. So go to wrap text, change margin to 0, and now as I move this image, you'll see that it overlaps the other image. The other thing that works well with this is because my image of the person is transparent, which means I can see the image behind it. Even though the image is actually the size of the blue square, I can see behind it. So I can change the position of the person, reduce the size of the computer, and then move them around. Now if you want to create one image so they're combined into one, at the moment if I move this image or resize one, it will only impact one image and not two of them together, and I want to group them as one image. So if you want to group it and form one new image, then you can go to Insert, Drawing, New. I'm going to repeat the same process but on the drawing. So I go back, copy my images, paste it into the drawing, resize the shape, grab my other image, copy, paste it, and already these ones you can see will layer. I'll pop the image where I'm happy with it, press save and close, and now this will save as a image. So this is one image, so you can't separate or move the computer or person. But now if I resize it, so here the resizing remains in the same ratio. If I want to change it and move the person, then I can always go back into the drawing, so press edit, and I can move the position here to around and then save and close, so it's grouped as one image. This also means if I drag another image again, I can create more layers or add another image on top.